Hello everyone, in this video we will see SSTF disk scheduling algo. So what is SSTF? SSTF full form is shortest seek time first scheduling algo. So in this algo selects the request with the least seek time from the current head position. So from wherever you are, from there, whosoever is nearest to you, that request will be serviced first. This is the algo, right? So what we will do for implementation purpose, we sort the input queue. Whatever requests are coming, we will sort them. Then we'll be given one current head position. From that current head position, we'll choose its left and right neighbor. Who are there at its left and right neighbor in the sorted queue. Then we find the displacement from the current head position to its left and right neighbor. And then next we'll move to the neighbor whose distance is lesser from the current head position among the left and right. Suppose left is lesser, then we'll move to left. If suppose right is lesser, so we'll move to right, like that. And then we'll move to one particular position after doing this head movement. From that position, again we'll repeat the steps A, B and C till we service all the requests. So the steps A through C will be repeated till all the requests are serviced. So this is the algo, right? So next we'll see this algo with one example. Suppose here our queue is given like this. Our input queue is like this. First 98, then 183. That means requests are coming for cylinder number 98, then 183 like this. And the current head position is at 53, right? Then first step is what? We'll sort the queue. So after sorting, we'll get the queue like this, right? Then what do we have to do? To start the sorting, our current head position was what? 53. And in the sorted queue, from this 53, we'll see who is to the left of it and who is to the right of it. So we'll see the position where one number is lesser than 53 and the right hand side is greater than 53. R is left and right neighbors respectively. So for 53, left neighbor will be 37 and right neighbor will be 65. It is easier to find its left and right neighbor if we have sorted the queue. Due to that only the sorting step is done. So from 53, one neighbor is 37, another neighbor is right neighbor is 65. We'll find the displacement from 53 to 37. So from 53, we see how far the 37 is located. It is at distance 16. And right neighbor is at distance 65. So 65 minus 53, the displacement is 12. So where the displacement is smaller? In case of our right neighbor. Here it is 16, it is here 12. So where should we move? From 53, we should move to 65. Because from 53, 65 is nearer compared to his left neighbor 37, right? So from current head position, we'll move to the position 65. So once we move to 65, our head position becomes what? 65. Now from 65, what you have to do? From 65, you need to see who is there at its left and who is there at its right. Whosoever is not yet serviced. Serviced one, we are changing the color. So 65 is serviced and 2 is left, 37 is there and 2 is right, 67 is there. So what we will do next, from 65, we need to find his left and right neighbor. Left neighbor is 37, right neighbor is 67. So here 65 minus 37 is 28 and right neighbor is 67 minus 65 is 2. So obvious answer is you will be moving to your 67. So we move to 67. Now your head position has become what? 67 and these two are already serviced. So from 67, you see who is at left unserviced and who is at right unserviced. So we saw that it is 37 here and this way we see 98 is there. So left neighbor is 37, right neighbor is 98 from 67, right? So 37, so see here from 67, left neighbor is at displacement 30, right neighbor is at displacement 31. This calculation do not do with eyes. You need to do the calculation properly because they seem to be quite nearer, right? But this one is 30, but this one is 31. So we need to do it and we find that left neighbor is this time smaller. So from where? From 67, you will next move to 37. From 67, you next move to 37. Now your position is 37. From 37, left neighbor is 14, right neighbor is 98. So what you will do? Left neighbor is 14, right neighbor is 98. So this is at displacement 23. This one is at 61. Where you will go? Correct. You will go to 14. So this is 14. So now your head position has become 14. So from 14, now no one is at left, only right is there. So obvious answer is you need to move to the right because this one will be smallest compared to this one. That is obvious, right? So from 14, next you will move to 98. Now this becomes easier, right? From 98, where you will go? No one is there at left to go. So obvious is you go to the nearest right, right? That is 122. So next is your, you will move to your right, that is 122. You will move to 122. Obvious from 122 where you will go? 124, right? And then from 124 you will go to 183. So this is how you are going to serve the request in SSTF. So here whenever we are making the movement, we see our neighbors and which neighbor is nearer, to that neighbor we will move, right? And after doing this scheduling, we need to find how much total movement we have done. So see, you can do this calculation piecewise also. 65 minus 53, then 67 minus 65, then 67 minus 37, 37 minus 14. This also you can do, or you can know, you can do the calculation directly here also. Because in this direction you are moving from 53 to 67. Then this direction you are moving from 67 to 14, and from here to here you are moving from 14 to 183. Then calculation becomes smaller as well as easier also. So now it is 236. So total head movement is 236, right? Thank you.